15 classic vehicles, every one priced at $2,500 or less. Some are drivers, others are full projects, but all of them are getting harder to find. Number 1. 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D, $2,000, Milan, Indiana. This 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is located in Milan, Indiana, and shows 98,000 miles. The seller reports that the car starts easily, runs, and drives well. The air conditioning blows cold, and the brakes are in good working order. The body could benefit from some cosmetic touch-ups, but the overall condition is described as clean for its age. With the Clean Kentucky title included, it appears to be a usable classic that mainly needs minor cosmetic attention. Number 2. 1976 Mercury Mystique, $2,000, Moulton, Alabama. This 1976 Mercury is located in Moulton, Alabama, and shows 104,000 miles. It is equipped with a 429 V8, and the seller describes the engine as being in good condition after spending years in dry storage. The roof requires rust repair, while the interior has been protected by indoor storage and appears to have held up well. The floors are said to be solid, and the doors open and close properly, making this a restoration project with a reasonably solid starting point. Number 3. 1978 Lancia Beta, $1,500, Lexington, Kentucky. This 1978 Lancia Beta coupe is located in Lexington, Kentucky, and shows 70,000 miles. Equipped with a manual transmission, the seller states that the car starts and runs. The body and floors are described as rust-free, making it a promising project for a vintage European sports coupe. While additional restoration may still be needed, the solid structure provides a good foundation for future work. Number 4. 1979 Ford Thunderbird, $2,000, Wallingford, Kentucky. This 1979 Ford Thunderbird is located in Wallingford, Kentucky, and shows 55,000 miles. The seller states that the car does not currently run because the engine project remains unfinished. Very little additional information is provided regarding the vehicle's condition, so buyers should expect to inspect the drivetrain and overall completeness before purchase. It should be viewed as a project rather than a ready-to-drive classic.
Number 5. 1966 Plymouth Valiant, $1,700, Cleveland, Ohio. This 1966 Plymouth Valiant is located in Cleveland, Ohio, and is equipped with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. The seller reports that the car runs and drives. The clutch requires adjustment, the carburetor needs tuning, and the exterior will need paint. Trim pieces and bumpers are included in the trunk, and a new fuel tank has already been installed, making it a running project with several improvements already completed. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne, $2,000, Roseville, Ohio. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne is located in Roseville, Ohio, and is powered by a 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the truck runs, drives, and shifts well. Body rust, a cracked windshield, oil leaks, an exhaust leak, and several non-working gauges are noted in the listing. Even with those issues, the frame is described as solid, and numerous extra parts are included with the sale.
Number 7. 1979 Jeep Wrangler CJ5, $1,800, Newcastle, Virginia. This 1979 Jeep CJ5 is located in Newcastle, Virginia, and is equipped with a straight-six engine, manual transmission, and four-wheel drive. The seller reports that it runs and drives. The Jeep has noticeable lifter noise and will need replacement floor pans and a windshield. Because of its condition, it will need to be transported, but it appears to be a straightforward restoration project with a title included. Number 8. 1978 Ford F100 Short Bed Stepside, $2,000, Castleton, Virginia. This 1978 Ford F100 short bed stepside is located in Castleton, Virginia, and is powered by a 300 inline-6 with a 3-speed manual transmission. The truck currently runs from a temporary fuel source, but will need the fuel tank cleaned or replaced. The seller describes the truck as a project with minimal rust for its age and notes that it has a clean title. While it is not ready for regular driving, it appears to offer a solid foundation with attractive original patina.
Number 9. 1976 Ford Mustang Cobra Hatchback 2D, $1,250, Pelzer, South Carolina. This 1976 Ford Mustang Cobra hatchback is located in Pelzer, South Carolina. Originally a factory V8 4-speed car, it is now being sold as a rolling project without its engine or transmission. The seller states that the car already has an all-new tubular front suspension, rack and pinion steering, front brakes, rear brakes, rotors, calipers, spindles, and master cylinder with booster installed. These upgrades represent a significant amount of completed chassis work. Some rust is present in the typical areas, but the overall body is described as solid. Wiring issues remain, and the title will require additional work since it has not yet been transferred into the seller's name. At $1,250, this Mustang is best suited for someone planning a full restoration or custom build. Buyers should also be prepared to resolve the title transfer before putting the car back on the road. Number 10. 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe, $1,500, Harrisburg, PA. This 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe is located in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and shows 58,000 miles. The car carries a good title and reportedly spent decades stored in a barn before being purchased by the current owner. The engine turns freely by hand, although it is missing the carburetor, radio, and horn button. The seller makes no claim that the vehicle currently runs and recommends bringing a trailer for transport. Because of its long-term storage, buyers should expect a complete mechanical inspection along with restoration work throughout the vehicle. Its originality may still appeal to enthusiasts looking for an early post-war Plymouth. Priced at $1,500, this car offers a complete restoration opportunity rather than an immediate driver. It appears best suited for someone looking to save a classic that has been off the road for many years. Number 11. 1974 Datsun 260Z, $1,200, Mountain Brook, Alabama. This 1974 Datsun 260Z is located in Mountain Brook, Alabama, and shows 123,456 miles. The seller describes the body as solid, especially compared to many surviving Z cars of the same era. Previous metal repairs have already addressed the floor pans and battery tray, while one dogleg still requires additional attention. The rear has been modified for wider fender flares, and numerous extra parts are included with the sale. The original fuel tank remains installed, new wheel bearings have been fitted, and additional rusty doors with glass and hardware are included. An optional L28 engine and SU carburetors are available separately. At $1,200, this 260Z appears to be an affordable foundation for someone wanting to build or restore a classic Japanese sports car. Buyers should be prepared to continue body and mechanical work. Number 12. 1958 Ford F-150 Long Bed, $1,000, Fillmore, Indiana. This 1958 Ford F-100 is located in Fillmore, Indiana, and is equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, despite the listing category suggesting otherwise. The truck has reportedly been parked since the early 1990s. The seller does not know whether the engine will turn over, and no attempt has been made to evaluate its current mechanical condition. Years of storage mean that nearly every system should be inspected before any restoration begins. The body is described as very rusty, making sheet metal repair a major part of the project. Buyers should expect significant structural and cosmetic work. At $1,000, this F100 is best viewed as a complete restoration candidate or a source of usable vintage truck parts. It is not represented as a running vehicle.
Number 13. 1957 Ford Thunderbird, $2,000, Prairie Village, KS. This 1957 Ford Thunderbird project is located in Prairie Village, Kansas. The seller states that most major parts are included with the car, along with a good title. Additional components include newer quarter panels, extra front fenders, and a replacement steering column. These parts may reduce the amount of sourcing required during restoration. No information is provided regarding the engine or drivetrain condition, so buyers should assume a thorough inspection will be necessary before planning the build. Priced at $2,000, this Thunderbird appears to be a realistic restoration project for enthusiasts seeking one of Ford's most recognizable classics. Number 14. 1957 Morris Minor 1000, $1,000, Addison, Alabama. This 1957 Morris Minor 1000 is located in Addison, Alabama, and shows approximately 50,000 miles. The seller describes the car as fairly complete despite its age. Rust is a major issue throughout the vehicle, although the seller believes the engine could likely run again with mechanical attention. No claim is made that the car is currently operational. Because of its compact size and distinctive styling, the Morris could appeal either as a restoration project or as a unique display piece. Significant bodywork should be expected. At $1,000, this British classic offers an inexpensive entry into vintage car ownership. Its overall value will largely depend on the buyer's restoration goals and fabrication skills.
Number 15. 1978 Chevrolet S10 Pickup, $1,000, Walnut Ridge, Arkansas. This listing is for what the seller identifies as an older Chevrolet Love 4x4, although the exact model year is uncertain. It is located in Walnut Ridge, Arkansas, and is being sold without a title. According to the seller, the truck appears to be largely complete, but ownership paperwork is still being located. No mechanical condition is provided, so its operating status remains unknown. Because documentation is incomplete, buyers should verify the identification and title situation before making any purchase decision. The truck is best approached as a project vehicle. At $1,000, this classic compact pickup may offer useful parts or restoration potential. However, resolving the title issue will likely be one of the first priorities for the next owner. Which of these classics would you take home? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more affordable classic cars, vintage trucks, and hidden project finds.